Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a function that will check whether the given number is an odd or even numbers using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So basically guys, I'm using PyCharm 2022 Community Edition that is installed in Zorin Linux. It is free version of PyCharm. So we have here dev to declare a function in Python. Dev add underscore even, the name of our function, and then we have a passing parameter of num. If num modulus 2, if there is no remainder, so it will equals to 0. Type underscore value even number if it is true, else if it is false, type underscore value will be even, and then return type value. Now line number 9, we are asking the user to give a number. We convert it to integer typecasting. It will store in our variable num. Num type, we call the function add underscore even num, new line, and then it will display the result here. Given number is whatever it is, odd or even number. Okay, let us run. Give a number, let's say 45. The given number is odd number. Give a number 2. The given number is even number. 78. The given number is an even number. 79. The given number is odd number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a function to determine whether the given number is odd or even number in Python programming language. I will put a link in the video description of this tutorial video where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.